that skill from my mama. And I can make you better, boy. So take this risk if you wanna. A real lover girl, I'll give you all the feels. Step into my world. I promise you'll love it here with me. You know this film energy. When I feel safe, when I feel hurt, when I can trust you at your word, that makes me feel soft. I'm just a girl ready to nurture you. When I feel safe, when I feel hurt, when I can trust you at your word, that makes me feel soft. I'm just a girl ready to nurture you. Feel energy.
Yeah. Hey. Don't go shooting all the dogs, cause one of them got fleas. Don't just listen to these songs and think that you got grease. They just lyrics, I be venting to this mic, it's therapy. You could leave, but them other guys is whack, they not me. Godspeed, sweetie, living out my dreams. I don't need a genie. Pops did Madonna shows, music in my blood, it was destined for me. Way before I even seen a CD. Cross the wrong line, you gon' need a treaty. Peace is a lie, there is only passion. And through passion I get stronger. Long days working on getting better, but they only get longer. Getting there is half the battle, staying there is much harder. I've been flying out to islands so remote we must charter. Been a pro for 10 years, trying to go another 10. Going hard like Vince Carter. Leave something for my son and my daughter in case of my departure.
You know that I'll always try to get it right. I'm working hard to leave a legacy behind. Yeah, you know that I'll always fight for what is mine. I'm working hard to leave a legacy behind.
Yeah. Leave it for my little ones, my real ones. For people trying to feel some. For all the bridges burned along the way and how we still run and still swim. Even though we underwater, never hit the kill switch and overcome like everything we deal with. I still feel there's more for me to do until I call it quits. Everything I do is for the ones I love and miss. Take some time, water flowers till they grow and split. Then take the seeds, plant them back and you control the ship. Navigating through the eye of the storm. Live through the lows, got me higher in form. Soldier soul, now you got buyer's remorse. I stay composed when them bloodsuckers hit me with a tireless swarm. I've been down but never finished, been bound to higher limits. Walking past, I've been the thinnest, almost lost myself within it. All the roads that end the quickest means you didn't take it farther. I gotta go harder in case of my departure.
You know that I'll always try to get it right.
You can't tell me a damn thing. I'm lost, at least it's a daydream. I turn into a hole. My days don't stop till my legs weak. My heart is beating like crazy. Does it all to a tune of its own. Truth, I don't know if I can get a hold on me and I lose control. I think it feels a lot like free when I lose my hold. It feels like gold.
Whichever way it's told, I'm the king of letting go. Yeah, my grip's pretty loose on the plot. Glitter in the gold, I wanna scream Geronimo as I fall down a hole in my thoughts. Yeah, pretend you got a grip, but fingers tend to slip, so it's better you embrace them. See, falling is freedom, and I feel my realest the moment I take my hands off. Yeah, control is an illusion, you got it.